Good morning, dear students. Today I welcome you all in today's session. The topic for the day is poem When I Set Out for Lyoness, poet Thomas Hardy. Introduction to the poet. Thomas Hardy was an English novelist and poet, one of the most renowned poets and novelists in English literary history. Notable works: Tess of the D'Urbervilles, Jude the Obscure, The Return of the Native, The Woodlanders, Far from the Madding Crowd, The Day Nests, The Mayor of Casterbridge, Desperate Remedies, Poems of the Past and the Present. Poem When I Set Out for Lyoness. When I set out for Lyoness, 100 miles away, the rime was on the spray, and starlight lit my lonesomeness. When I set out for Lyoness, 100 miles away. What would be chance at Lyoness, while I should sojourn there? No prophet durst declare, nor did the wisest wizard guess what would be chance at Lyoness, while I should sojourn there. When I came back from Lyoness, with magic in my eyes, all marked with mute surmise, my radiance rare and fathomless, when I came back from Lyoness with magic in my eyes. Introduction to the poem. The poem When I Set Out for Lyoness is about the poet's journey to an imaginary country by the name of Lyoness and his transformation after returning back. In order to understand the poem, we must first understand its background. It is believed that Lyoness was a country that, according to Arthurian legend, was near Cornwall before sinking beneath the sea. Hence, the poet imagines going to that city. The poet, who was an architect, went to supervise the construction of a church in Cornwall. There he met Emma, who later on became his wife. Thus, the whole poem describes how the poet felt after meeting her. Thank you.